In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the currency on Vrbo, an essential skill if you're planning trips or simply prefer browsing in a specific currency. We'll guide you through the process step by step. It's straightforward once you know where to look. First, you'll want to open up your preferred web browser and head over to the Vrbo website by entering www.vrbo.com into the address bar. Once the page loads, it'll present you with a variety of options for your next vacation rental. Go ahead and click into or search for any property that catches your eye. It's important to be in the property view, as this is where you can change the settings we need. As you look at the property details, take note of the current currency displayed. By default, it might show up as US dollars or USD. The information will typically be displayed near the top of the page. Now direct your attention to the top part of the page where you will find the USD option displayed. This is your entry point for changing the currency. Click on it to access more currency settings. Upon clicking, you'll find a drop-down menu labeled Region. Give that a click as well. This menu offers various region options to select from, depending on which currency you'd like the site to use. Simply scroll through and find the one that fits your needs. For our demonstration, let's choose Mexico, but feel free to select the region that aligns with your travel plans or preferences. After you've made your selection, the website will refresh to apply your changes. Give it a moment to reload, and when it does, scroll down on the page. You should now be able to see the updated currency reflected in the property listings. This means the currency conversion worked successfully, and all the costs are now displayed in the currency relevant to the region you selected. And that's it. You've now successfully changed the currency display on Vrbo. Whether you're a frequent traveler or just planning an occasional getaway, knowing how to toggle currencies can make exploring rental options easier and more intuitive, allowing you to manage budgeting efficiently. Don't forget that you can come back and change the region anytime you need, should your travel needs change, or if you're simply browsing options in different parts of the world. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, be sure to leave a like and consider subscribing for more tips to enhance your travel planning. Thanks so much for watching, and safe travels wherever your journey takes you.